Hello there and welcome back. In this video we are going to continue our gevent journey, and what we would like to do is to create a WSGI client and server. So basically what we would like to do is the following. Let me grab this one. So basically we would like to name this WSGI server.py, and from gevent py WSGI import WSGI server, and what we will have is the application, and basically this is going to be a function, and we will have the environment and the start response. And here what we would like to do is the following. So if the environment path info is /, so this is the default context route, then we will start the response, and basically it will say 200. Okay, and we will have a list with a tuple or list of tuples, and the content type is going to be text HTML, and return a list with binary data b /b hello world. Otherwise we will have the following: 404 not found, content types text HTML, and return b h1 not found, and the end of h1. And we would like to print just a simple message that we are serving on port 8080, and the WSGI server is going to take a tuple 127.0.0.1 8080, and let me check the syntax. Application serve forever. Alright, now let's get here. Let me stop this one. WSGI server. It's not server but rather serve forever. And if we go to the browser, .0.0.1 8080, then we will have the hello world. So this is coming from the path info environment variable, and the not found is going to return the not found message. And what we can do is to create the client. So basically what we can do is to reuse our, where is the message, our hello world app. So WSGI client.py, and here what we would like to do is to have the response http ://172.0.0.1 and we will have a not found message as well, and this can be deleted. Let's save it. If we run our server once again, which is now serving on port, then Python WSGI client, as you see the response was 200 and 404. And if we want, we could extend our WSGI server and we could say that hello world is one of the context routes, and let's make this users 200, the list of users, and let's go back to the client. Hold on, this was users, and users. Let's save it and let's call the text. Hold on, users. Alright, so basically that was all I wanted to show you. See you in the next one.